Hey. Got a package here. It's been a little bit since I got a package, but I'm going to open this up and show y'all what I got. Okay, so I ordered from a company called Italist. Italist.com. I came across them, I think, on Instagram and kind of looked at what they have. Before I open this, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about what Italist is. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Italist is a company that sells designer brands from small boutiques all across Italy. Their headquarters is in New York. Their headquarters is in LA, but um, the products that they sell come from boutiques across Italy. So when you go on there, they sell everything: shoes, sneakers, clothes, dress, everything. I think jewelry as well. Um, so when you go to shop, the items that you are seeing belongs to different boutiques that they post from out of Italy. So you may see, say, there's a shirt that you want, or a belt, or a shoe. You may see it duplicated several times, and that means it's coming from different boutiques. So if you click on the shoe, you see it once, they don't have your size, or the shirt, or whatever. You keep looking, and you may find the same shirt from a different boutique that have your size. Um, the other little thing only issue that I had from them when I was trying to place my order, it kept saying that my card wasn't working. And so my husband came up and said, hey, I got a text message from the bank. Is this you? And basically, what the bank did was, because the order was processed internationally, they blocked it from going through. So we had to go in, my husband had to respond, to the bank to say, hey, that's us. You can let the payment go through, because it's processed through the boutique that you're buying the item from in Italy, not through uh, LA, even though it's a USA based company. Again, their stuff is all comes from Italy. These are small boutiques all across Italy that they um, post their stuff to sell faster, and into a larger group of people on Italist's website. Another thing about Italist is, if you have any issues with the product that you bought that's out of their control, like, you bought the wrong size, you don't like it, whatever, you have to pay to ship it back to the boutique in Italy, and it has to be shipped back in the same manner that it was sent to you, including the box or whatever it came in. That's all a part of the package. So, and you also have to contact them as well to let them know that, hey, I want to return this. I guess they give you a number or something, but all all of the shipping, customs, and everything is all on you, and you have to ship it back to the boutique in Italy, um, to either get your refund or exchange. It is free shipping. I'm not sure if it's because of COVID-19 and everybody, these businesses, especially small businesses, are trying to make money any way they can. So a lot of these companies are ordering discounts, free shipping, whatever. Italist is also a discounted brand. So you may see the item on other shops, or even on the brand's website for more money. But on Italist, it'll be cheaper. So they offer stuff anywhere from 40 to 60% below retail of, and I probably don't believe that, because if you know anything about clothes, shoes, fashion, um, if you buy wholesale, you always pay 50% less than what retail is. So if you buy a pair of jeans and the jeans in the store cost $100, you only paid $50 or less from the company because you're buying wholesale, and the company bumps it up 50% plus to make their money from it. So that's neither here nor there, but so that's their thing. They offer 50 to 60%, lower than if you was to buy it from the brand or another store. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this box and come back. So I open up the bag. It's very nicely packaged. I also wanted to say too, what did I want to say? With oh, what I found out because I went to DHL to pick this up. The boutique Italist was shipping free shipping, so everything was paid for. What I didn't know was they shipped it supposedly express, and as you can see, it wasn't coming it was coming to my house, but what they did was they deliver it to the post office, and then the post office delivers it, and it was priority mail. So had I not went and picked this up from the DHL office here, I wouldn't have gotten it until Wednesday, which I thought made no sense. So I just went and picked it up because y'all know I'm impatient. But this is the inside of the box. Very well packaged. So let's open this up. Here's my box. Golden Goose. Y'all know I love me some Golden Goose. So this was a gift from my husband. Let's see what they got on here. It says, "Hey, dear lover, your Golden Goose journey starts here. Fasten your seatbelt and enjoy it." I didn't get this on my last box. This is really cute. Maybe I ain't pay attention to it, but this is the shoe bag for dream use only, not designed for other activities. Golden tools, property established 220. It's a nice bag. I know some people may not like the dirty sneaker look. I do. So here they are. These are so dope. Oh my gosh, these are dope. I hope their tag is cuttable. But these are so dope, y'all. You see that sparkle? Oh my gosh. And then they give you this thing. It's called the Golden Goose Passport. I don't know what it means. You have just purchased an authentic Golden Goose product. Follow the NFC instructions to validate its authenticity. Download our app to get all news about Golden Goose journey. So I guess this is it right here. It says do not remove if you want to return. That's the little thing right here. It has welcome to Golden Goose family. Scan the QR code on this cover and download our app to always be on track with all the news of Golden Goose journey. Then they have it in different languages. And you got your little notes thing. Maybe you could write down what shoe you got. I don't know, child. Just trying to see what's on this other page. Okay. So that's your passport. Nice cover. Wow. Golden Goose. This is leather. All distressing. The thing about Golden Goose is they are expensive, but I only buy the unique looking. This is canvas. This is leather. If you want to swap out the laces, I wouldn't though. You just unknot it on the end. For dream use only, not designed for other activities. It has this like mint green on the back. That's just a piece of glitter. It has a big distressing right here, right here. A lot of distressing on the bottom, and they machine do this stuff, so they don't take it outside and drag it around. Bottom. I love these. I'm just hoping that they fit good. Look at that. This is like a white canvas. Leather. Three little what's it, holes inside here. Yeah, this is 3 holes. It's glitter because the tongue is turned to the side. Okay, so this is the inside of the shoe. I took the tongue out. You have this type of knitted material on the inside. This is a 10, which is a 40 in Italian size. The only thing I don't like about Golden Goose is that they put this wedge heel in the woman's shoes. So I don't know. It all depends if I take it out. My other pair, I had to take it out. This pair right here, I believe, if you go on Golden Goose or any other sites that may have this pair, I believe it's going for like $5.30 or $5.60. I caught these on Italist with tax $4.14. So again, Golden Goose is expensive, but I would never go and pay like $400 for just a plain leather pair. To me, that's just too much money for a plain old pair of leather sneakers. There has to be some unique characteristic about it that stands out. Not somebody just look and be like, oh, she got on a pair of plain white Golden Goose sneakers that you just paid $400 and something for. You know. This is my first pair of Golden Goose. So as you can see, these are pretty unique. This is really cracked leather. Great quality. You can feel the cracks with the silver and gold. So it had to be unique. You got these studs. Very well made. It has to be a unique type of shoe for me to pay that kind of money. I'm not paying that kind of money for a plain shoe. And these were $635. So yeah, that's just me. It has to be very unique for me to pay that kind of money. I'm just not paying that kind of money for a regular old shoe. But I absolutely love these. I did try one on before I took the sole out, and they fit pretty good. They're very roomy. So we'll see once I wear them how they do my feet. Because we all know that's a different story. But this is 15 minutes long. I just wanted to come do this. The on feet will be coming up soon. Y'all enjoy your weekend. Happy Friday again. I hope everybody is safe and not sick. I pray for this country and people's loved ones and for their peace, comfort, healing through our Lord Jesus Christ. And I just hope everybody is doing good. Peace.